Miyagi, we're crossing yung
The left tayo ha. 400 meters turn left. Isang side lang.
400 meters.
300 meters.
Okay.
250. 220. 180.
Ito. Ay, hindi pa?
160.
Oh, lahat pa.
130.
Ito siguro.
110.
Turn left, then turn left.
Here.
Here tayo?
There's an area. Yung parang may another parang fort yata yun. Nice to take car photos daw.
Uy.
My favorite place to take car photos.
Doon tayo straight lang. Ito yung mga cars to, no? Hindi, no?
Yan, nandiyan yan.
It's nice.
Tsaka park ka rin dyan.
It's nice, no? Galing ah.
Turn left into the parking lot, then you will arrive at your destination.
Turn left at the parking lot. Then
Nice,
you will
nice
arrive
was
at
it
your
real?
destination.
360, we're using the 360 camera. Kaso pati audio kaya ni-record niya.
Yan ang hindi ko alam. Hinggan natin mamaya. Ganda.
Check natin.
You have arrived.
You have arrived. Where you park?
I think dito muna natin. Makita yung mga bahay. Dito si nakikwantay din sa kanya eh. Dito tayo muna. Dito si this area.
Okay?
Okay.